Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys how to fix screen rotate problem on Infinix phone. Friends, you have guys screen rotate problem guys, you can see guys when you use any app any. So friends, how to fix guys screen rotate problem in our Infinix phone device today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to fix guys screen rotate problem on our Infinix phone device guys. So friends, first open your guys phone setting. So guys, where is your phone setting guys? On your phone setting here. So guys, I will on phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this type of interface on your Infinix mobile. So guys, how to fix screen rotate problem. Friends, you can fix guys from your display and brightness setting. After on display brightness guys, scroll it and friends, click on get this auto rotate screen setting here. So guys, tap here to fix your screen rotate problem. After off means tap on screen rotate setting is, now you can use your YouTube app, you can use any app guys without screen rotate guys, you can check guys screen will not rotate guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to fix auto screen problem on Infinix phone. And guys, direct guys, you can fix this problem also guys, search bar, search here and guys search here guys auto rotate. Friends, only search here auto and friends you can see your auto rotate screen guys, click here. By mistake guys you have on friends, you can see after on guys again guys screen will rotate. When you will rotate your phone, screen will rotate it. So how to fix, open your phone setting, search bar auto setting, auto rotate screen, click here and guys only tap here, problem will fix. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix screen rotate problem on Infinix phone. So bye bye guys.